May dungeon. Pasukin ko.
Lang. Testing ko nga.
Dungeon.
Gago may pumasok din yan.
Focus content.
May pumasok nga eh. Di ko alam mo sino eh.
Ako.
Don't get sidetracked.
8.1.
Side quests.
Come expanse. Actually, come expanse first, boys. Let's flip this one, and then we go take it. Hypertension. They're not worth it. They're just only gonna fight if they're like on Terry.
Lots of pieces.
Pwede mo naman yung i-bait. Kasi pag hindi ka papalag, bulin ka niyan.
Bullying ganyan. Ano dyan eh, yung mga rat.
Hindi.
Rat. Uy.
Siyempre, hindi mo ipa-fight dito.
Ratatouille.
May nag-try mag-flip na ito ah.
So yung Ratatouille. Oh my god, 6-3.
Boys, 3, 2, 1.
Silence na ako. Jay? Sorry. Atik Saba. Natawa yan.
Fuck bro.
Pero mga baliw eh. Mga baliw mga tao.
Realization.
Sobrang Saba. Sino ba itong mga to? Check nyo yung mga ano sa Sandstrand Dunes. Sino yung
Guys,
mga
do some
hawak
crystal hunting, boys.
na yun? Mga Chinese.
Depths.
Pagbuhat ang kristal? Pwede po.
I need one scout going ticket now.
Kasi ako na. Kasi si Yansa pala, mas malapit siya.
Go yan. I'm looking at South Bluff, bro. Yo guys, let's clear the boss. 3, 2, 1.
Wala nag-scout sa taas. Kung na lang.
Taas?
Gago si
Royal armor mo sada, ayusin mo.
Oo nga, Royal Armor mo sa
Sad,
gamitin
wag
mo
mo-
kung may kalaban.
Sad ginagamit yung Royal Armor pag may kalaban ah. Di yan ginagamit randomly. Kasi di yan mag-generate ng mana for everyone. You clear it fast. I think I'll go South Bluff. Let's fight after me.
May gankers dito. Di ako makaano sa cops.
Okay. Sinong gankers dyan?
Mag-position lang tayo kung ganyan.
Baka Black Rose.
Okay. Okay, guys, let's go. Come Southeast.
Try kung umiikot. Ito ba kayo dito? Hindi.
Papunta kami dyan.
Gotcha.
Tayo mo lang kami.
Ikot ako long way.
Kasi I don't think the Swallow would be able to come. They would doing castle. Unless they will mass 20 DA for outpost. Come Southeast. Which I doubt. Come Southeast.
Hold ako lang
Boys.
sa Enra. Nagdala ako.
Sige lang. Take your time. Kita mo na lang kami sa South Bluff. Ito ba yung mga gankers? The Black Rose.
B-Block. Tall player.
Black. There's black.
Where are you, Black?
He is.
Oh,
Are you a
white.
black Indian or
I'm
white
fair, bro.
Indian?
I'm like fairly
The
white.
Swallow, nandito sila.
Dito the swallow ah. First
I
scout
think
lang
that
to.
is Rigger. I think that's Rigger.
Andyan yung mga gankers ha. Ingat kayo dyan.
Yeah, it's fine. Who's missing in the party? I'm missing like 5 people here. Hey gamer, where you at, bro?
Maraming gangers.
They don't have a castle here. But if they wanna mass for the outpost, let's fight them because it's gonna be low people only. Go ticket west and we go stone and south left.
Isang FKE.
Oh, I'm just... There's background noise. I'm just lowering the background noise.
We flip ticket first, okay? We flip ticket first, boys.
Dora.
Ready for turbulence? Fasten your seatbelts.
Turbulence guys. Turbulence.
May CC oh. Points yan.
Amen,
Kaso
eh.
mag-ano tayo eh. Nagmamadali
Black
tayo
screen
eh.
po. No, black screen.
Pagpa-uwi, kuha tayo CC para sa points.
Gagi, gamer, or you on T4 horse, you're gonna get dismounted quick if some daggers come up.
Be on at least T5.
That's one.
Swallow? Where?
Angkers.
No,
Daan
I
gang
don't
king.
daggers.
Ah, dyan.
Pamusundan king. Punta ka na lang.
Could be a gang swap. Where are they?
In the
Pink.
southwest.
And you ping guys, spread southeast. Catch them.
No. They will just zone in
Bumalik.
near southwest zone.
Quicksand sa...
Swallow T3.
Still have time. 2 minutes more. We go Stone on South Bluff. We get the outpost and we go back. We fix fight. If objective is finished, let's go ahead and fight hypertension in their territory.
Yung dalawang daswalo papunta sa inyo. Tatlo.
Okay. Guess
Isang
ready to fight
healer,
from South.
dalawang DPS.
Where is it? Yeah, dismount here, boys. Come. Well, dismount. One body.
Mag-zone
Come sa
pa lang
awas.
ah. Mag-zone pa lang puntang ticket.
Hala ko ikaw na yung blue jet. What the fuck?
Yes, quicksand
Ako
sa...
to. Ako mo lang.
You cleared them out inside 3, 2, 1, boss. Yung DPS.
Hindi yung nag-OP.
Zoning na ba? Are they checking now?
Hindi ko sure. Nasa South Bluff na ako ngayon eh. Wala ba sa inyo? Hindi ba kita?
Ano sila galing?
Bago may ganker dito, Ongbat. Sa South Bluff. Mas na dito.
Go baka sa outpost, boys. Let's flip it real quick. Sad, wag kang mag-AFK during fight, no, please.
Yeah. Di ako nag-AFK ha.
Wag random enigmatic, no. Timing mo yung enigmatic. Pag sinabi kong defensive, drop mo na yung, yung enigmatic sa kung saan sila mag-engage. It's not always inside the crown. Find somewhere kung saan mag-engage yung kalaban, tas enigmatic mo na lang sila. The sooner the better, bro. Yo, clear this one. 3, 2, 1. More quicker, boys.
Tonsang drop on
Medyo late yun.
Tonsang drop on 3.
Yeah.
Dapat pala si David Acto, no?
Tingalin.
That later. Yung ano? Hindi, yung ano ko. Yung,
CD reduct tapos
yung
ano, mana ano.
Delete as H. Tapos gawa ka ng 5-4.
Tsaka muna, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go south left. Come southeast.
dapat pala nagano ko yung isang food. Yung stew.
Pwede tatay.
Ay, yung stew talaga niya.
Oo.
Il stew. Oh.
Yay. Point 3.
Yeah.
Baby, wag ka nang magdalinglangan pa.
Ang sabi ng ano, ang sabi ng unguild na sabi ng unguild is it's maybe one of their color daw, pero I don't have an idea sa fixed fight. Stupid.
Sino yun? Loko yun ah.
Yung ba yung ano?
Freaking expand.
Ay, kinuha yung ano, kinuha play expanse ah.
Okay din? Blue naman to
It's
eh.
fine.
Gago 1630 dito sa Expanse. Nandito kanini Gankers eh. Ay, sa Expanse sila sa South Bluff.
Baka top pair yan na.
Okay.
Dito kanini
Everybody come.
Gankers. Ewan ko lang kung nasan sila ngayon.
Rebuilding yung top pair ngayon eh. Online ulit si ano, Kilembot.
Oh, lo nalungkot yun, naban yun eh. Come northwest, boys.
Oo, naban
Yun,
siya.
retrieve naman niya eh. Retrieve niya diba?
Bawa na.
Retrieve ba yun? Ah, they are
Oh,
here.
bumalik.
The one shot
Andiyan yung Gankers sa inyo?
Ongbat. No, one shot only Ongbat.
Kaya mo sa taas, ano to?
Please come out first.
And thought,
Hindi, one shot nga, one shot.
Ah, sa harap mo, Endra?
one shot here on 3.
One shot
Punta
ah.
west side.
Carefully nasa likod ah.
Just beyond point with your defensive base. You will not die. Ano ba mga
Come all the way
defensive?
to the Come all the way to the outpost. We have a good defensive guys, please. Combat here. Walking, nandito sila. Guys, this one guys sa akin. I was able to catch one. Come.
Ay, learn pa kami
Ito sa akin
Nagang na nata sila.
Ito. Yes, come.
Sa akin na. LD. Kinakatap sa akin ko. Green dot malay ko nasa.
Catch everyone. Try nyo dismount yung mga nakamount up. Yung mga nakamount up sa kanila. Try nyo dismount.
Just Z. Zone southeast. Zone southeast.
Try nyo dismount yung mga nakana sa kanila. Come northwest. Smiley, don't die bro.
Mamatay.
Dismount, Smelly, dismount.
Mount up.
Dora, shut the fuck up. Dora, clear comms.
Meron lang pang catch.
Come northwest.
Don't cluster the comms, please.
So, Sad, what's up, Sad?
What the fuck is that?
And Smiley, where the fuck are you
They're
boys?
dying from mobs.
Thank you,
They're
ma'am.
dying from mobs.
Holy shit.
So are you guys planning to, what do you mean kill this? Come northwest bro. What the fuck are you doing? If you're farming open world, come northwest.
Putang ina,
Just
kinabahan pa ako.
build the fuck out bro. Just get the fuck out of there bro. No need to fucking kill the mobs. Bro, Ava is making you dog shit guys. Come on, lock in. Sobrang kayo ng Ava.
It's 1M guys, but it's shit loot.
Nakawanan ko na yung bot na yun.
Truman?
Hello?
Winning chess.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry. You were saying something?
Yeah, I thought you were getting killed. So,
Nah,
di
I
na-catch
got
yung mga-
dismounted of the mob.
I see. So what happened there is that I think those one-shot Ongbat is killed one of the gankers. It's 31 to 50 here.
Hitting gun? Papitin?
Sit up.
Dismounted na siya, dismounted yung
Lapit na. Lapit siya.
Come south,
Ito,
come south.
dito sila. Ito yung bat. Ito yung
Okay,
hammers.
Go.
Oh, ba't ito ah?
Hinabol ko pa yung dito sa ano,
Kill
sa sofa.
Laging ko dyan sa inyo, boy. Nabol mo, Pacman.
Ito, hinabol namin. Makandang ano, nakamali.
If wala na, just bail. If wala na, just bail. Don't need to chase.
Spread.
Let's clear the outpost.
Ayun. Come, follow guys.
Ito, mapapatay namin.
Mounted na isa. Meron pa kong tapos.
Bola!
Baka the outpost here is zero crowd.
Please clear
Wow!
Please clear.
Dora, you're
Yes,
cut.
everyone come to outpost.
That's Dora.
Come. Outpost boys. And one healer here.
Spread. Saan na?
Some of you come here, come inside.
Taas.
Di ba may
Taas.
Northeast.
One year outpost. Ito.
Ito kayong ganker. Napakalaman na HP. Oh my.
Yan.
Gago
Ayun.
about up.
Wala, di ko rin napat.
Yan.
buhay pa yun?
Oo. Wala, ko eh. Wala akong magagawa.
Si Pekpek online, no?
Hindi.
Sundan ka na lang.
Si Pekpek.
Pek. The guy's name is so funny. What the fuck? He was from DP as well, yeah? Kicks? Hello, Kicks?
Pekpek.
My guy Kicks doesn't speak, bro. Are you sure, bro? Pig is from DP as well, right?
Yan bro.
What the hell? do you know what Pig means, Dora?
I don't.
Hmm. You don't need to know, okay? It's for adults only.
Isda Ilocano ko.
What do you mean by that?
Vagina, bro.
You see.
Hey, don't fucking hurt my guns.
Hey. Guys, PG family.
Friendly pa ako. Okay, let me get the silver bag.
defensive ready, enigmatic now.
Ready GA.
This is a gamer,
Sa kabila,
Ready,
pupunta
Are you still okay, gamer?
No regret ha. No regret. On the way sa inyo. Ang dami.
Gaano karami?
May naka-A3. May naka-A3. Naka-Tier 9.
Mount up boys, and go southeast. Go. I love
Pwede
this.
na. May DA na.
Wala pa namang DA, wala pa
Oh,
namang DA. Pero
the chest will be open in.
3 bracers.
Yeah, just spread for now. DA? How many DA?
Wala pa DA, no DA pa.
Do free loot, or else you'll not be able to pick up.
8-3
yeah.
fight. So it can
Anong
kill.
Gucci nila, loko. Kayo.
No DA, no DA.
We can fight them. We can fight
Ay,
them.
day one, day one, day one, day one. Day one, day one.
Yeah, keep scouting for me. Okay, don't die, boys. I'll open
Okay.
this first.
Ay, may nag-zone ha. May nag-zone pang dalawa.
Guys,
spread out, okay?
They're super Gucci.
Okay.
They're coming na.
Just
They go back. They go back.
They're
they go back.
dismounted inside, ah. Come,
They're
boys,
going
come,
back now.
boys.
They're going back.
Okay.
Catching.
Guys, come follow me. Follow me here.
They're
I told
catching
you
her. They're
guys to,
catching
like-
her.
Boys, I told you to fucking spread and make your way southwest, boys.
They're catching her.
Easy as fuck. No need to, no fucking explanation. Just spread and go southwest, boys. Go southwest.
They're
How many
mount-
DA?
they're
Final
mounted
DA.
on,
Final
ah.
DA.
They're mounted down. 3 DA.
3 DA?
They're mounted down, ah. Fuck.
I think we can fight them. This is winnable. Let's fight them then. Come southwest. Just spread around, okay? Don't get catch though. We can
mounted
fight them.
here,
Let's find a better. They find a better position. Come southwest. Do not get catch. Go quicksand. We fight them.
Dismounted and looping, careful. They're dismounted here,
Guys, do not get catch, okay? Do not get catch. Just go southwest. Just bail, okay? For now. Bail for now. Can you tell me the com, bro?
Brawler,
Guys, can
brawler.
speak to me, okay?
Brawler, come,
Never
brawler.
regret brawler.
Brawl clap.
Brawl club? Ooh.
Very good.
But they're
May
Gucci.
83 yan, ah. They're super Gucci, ah.
So, may
87.
yeah.
Dismounted.
Okay, it's fine. They're dismounted, okay, guys? They're chasing, okay? Come southwest.
Careful, ah. Yung dalawang healers man.
Careful,
nasa
boys. Careful, boys. Don't get
Dismounted
catch.
na,
Don't get
dismounted,
catch.
guys.
Don't get catch. Let's find a better place to fight. Come southwest. But
Green,
this is
green,
winnable,
green.
guys.
Green,
I will
don't.
fight
Hey,
them.
don't
okay?
go.
Don't commit. Come southwest, boys. Zone everyone. Zone.
Ikot kayo,
Zone
ikot
everyone.
kayo. Follow dito, Agvin, oh.
Don't follow the block, guys. Because they
Kicks,
they
faster
dismounted.
kicks. Makakachar na si kicks.
Southwest, boys. Come southwest.
Buti ano siya. Buti naka-armor there.
They're dismounted by the
Go thicket.
They're
We'll
dismounted
fight them, boys. Okay, we'll fight them, boys.
Sino yung inaabol ka, Gvin? Sino yung Gvin?
Careful, guys. They're dismounted by the gate. Go southeast of
Wala na. Wala na dismounted sa
Just
gate.
go quick, son. Let's fight them. We're gonna fight them, boys. Okay.
Ginay
I'm missing
pa ako.
one guy. That's why I can comment. Because Ismail, do not get catch. Smiley, you fine, right? Smiley. If they're still chasing you, just make your way to them, okay? If they're still chasing you, make your way to them.
Anyari dun sa tatlo.
Wala naman na catch.
Wala
Yung
naman
isa,
na dyan?
yung may isang Gvin umikot sa kabila.
Kung nandyan pa kayo sa Stonemount South Bluff, can you get the rest of the loot into outpost?
Nasaan
Yung mga naiwan doon. Yo guys, don't
They're here,
get
ah.
left behind.
They're
I'm
dismounted, ah. Whoa.
You got dismounted?
Don't run.
Yeah. It's fine. I'll just. I have armor cores.
Naka-mount up siya.
Go,
Yeah.
Okay.
They have zoned in. Be careful.
Where?
Go on again.
Where did they zone? Bro? Come. Where?
Yeah.
Okay,
Go
guys,
on, bro.
hold here.
Go wrap around.
Hold
okay?
southeast.
Wrap around.
Everyone is
Wrap around,
ready?
Yeah.
Where is everyone? Where is everyone though?
Lima kami sa
Ilang?
quicksand. Lima kami.
Chill. Ano,
Hold southeast, boys. Hold southeast.
Two Gvin missing ka. Two Gvin missing. Yung isa nasa umikot pa
Yeah,
naman
nandito
na-
yung dalawang green.
Yung isa nasa quicksand, yung isa nasa...
Sige, tuloy lang kayo, dalawa. Tuloy lang kayo, Flappy T and Trumans. Tuloy lang kayo. Ano sila, di sila dismounted.
Nandito sila sa akin, nag-zone sila dito sa akin. Guys, stuck together, okay? Stuck together, boys.
Truman,
Stuck together, boys.
Dismounted yung
Guys, go northwest, okay? Quicksand. Go northwest of quicksand, boys. Yung mga nasa quicksand. Yeah, guys, zone. Yung mga nasa quicksand.
Balik na kami. Okay.
Punta kayo northwest. They might have people zoning in here.
What the fuck?
Just zone. Okay, nobody, we're safe.
Kaz, ina! Patay si Kaz. Pati, Kaz ba ka?
How can you die, guys? Like, my colors is like pretty perfect, bro. Nobody should die. Like, come on.
Nabuhay ka ba, Kaz?
Hindi. Na-GA ako.
Namatay ka din, guys? Namatay ka?
Minus 2.
Oo.
Wag na. Come southwest, man. Come southwest. I know what is wrong, guys. Wala namang dapat mamatay doon, legit. Come southwest.
Hindi ko nalot yung ibang nasa chest. Ano ako? Wala akong bag.
Okay lang. I'm missing one debuff. Guys, he's dying for no reason, man.
Si
Si
Gcash.
Gcash
Asan
ata yun na doon. Si Gcash ata yun na sa ticket.
Ticket siya.
Ano? Nakuha ko yung sa outpost.
South Bluff? South Bluff?
Ah.
Come southwest, boys. Come southwest. Who died? Avgasen?
Kas.
Because nandito.
Pangalawang beses na yun.
Healer. Light.
Wow.
So you have silver.
Hold muna kayo guys. We need to breathe in and out. Boys.
Don't worry, I have silver. Pero pa ba ako silver?
Tamis na iyong labi.
Sa...
Sorry.
Follow the crown, you'll be safe.
Wala ka ba sa gate nun, Avgas? Tsaka Kaz, sa sa ticket tayo?
Wala.
Wala ako sa gate. Galing ako ng... tawag doon? Outpost.
Ay gagi, wag na kayo mag-commit pagka ganun. Kasi kinol na din na dismounted na sila eh. Sila sa gate eh.
Mounted by the gate, don't commit. What is doing? Turn on your
Kaya
survival.
pala.
Naman.
Even though I called for southeast, it doesn't necessarily mean you need to go southeast. If you think you'll die, definitely you'll die because they're already dismounted. Find your way to regroup.
If the
No need to like follow the absolute call, you know?
The clumps are
There is
turn Enra to 200%. Turn up his volume.
Yung defensive.
yes boys, come southwest.
Just swallow.
Swallow.
Can you go back just T8?
Nag-gear na ako. Saan mapa nyo?
The way to Cops.
Si
Kaz,
Kaz yata
you good,
wala
Kaz?
na.
You good, Kaz? Kasi but bro, you need to improve on what do you call this one? Survival instinct, okay?
Ano na ulit?
And I'm not blaming you to anything, bro. That's fine. Shit happens. Come northwest.
Mauna na ako. Teka, mag-ikot ako.
Just do better next time, bro.
Anong map nyo? Map check.
Cops.
Star.
Cops na, cops.
Cops.
Cops, come southwest.
You guys
Gcash mag ano ka?
to
Invi.
hear the comms. So with battle comms, use the party chat. Don't be retarded.
Kabisa.
Iniwan ko na dun si Gcash saka si Kaz.
Nag-car ba ka, Gcash?
Inarba ko po. Layo ah.
Go French. Tara.
Gago, purple ano.
All survival instinct.
Hey, Pacman, stop doing side quest.
Have you guys seen like those people who follow the crown? They're untouchable, bro.
True max.
Because you're not gonna die there unless you're not staying in the gate. But I think I provided you guys enough time to regroup in gate, right? Southeast ticket. So,
Enra open pa expanse ha. Check ko to eh. Kung gusto mo punta dito. Expanse.
okay. Daan lang kaming French para safe kami. Come southwest, boys. Para wala
Okay.
kaming mga
Check ko lang kung ilan pa.
Okay, hold here.
Ano yung ping? Giga?
What's that thing siya?
Gago 150. Saan
Wait,
to?
kalda. Ano yung ping?
Who's fighting there? Who's fighting in
Ano yun, nag-arbak?
long block.
Nag-arbak ata,
No block.
nag-arbak.
Ay, hindi. Level up ka. Check ko pa lang.
Okay guys, come northwest na lang nga. Yo guys, come back Cops. Everyone come back
Taking
Cops.
na lang OP. Taking na lang OP. Solo King. Andito yung Solo King. Nakamount up. Patakbo na.
And who is in the
DA1.
Ako never
Solo
regret ha.
King. DA1.
Southwest na sila.
southwest
Ay, no
now?
regret. No regret.
Ng expand.
DA5.
What the fuck? That's so many, bro. But it's winnable. If they fight, we join in, okay?
Kasi itong Solo King, ay, nawala yung DA. DA1 kanina to eh.
Come northwest. Just hold northwest. Hold here in the bridge. Keep scouting for me. We need a fight, guys.
Okay.
So,
Pero
looking
sila
good G din to.
Parang
May
silang
babang sila na
eh.
energy saver ha.
Noted.
Solo kill.
Solo King. Ang
What?
caller
Solo
nila
King.
si YY9527.
Are they still in outpost? Never regret is out, right? Because I heard
Never regret sa outpost. Itong Solo King nasa
Solo King
bridge.
nasa...
Nasa outpost.
Sa
Okay,
bridge,
come hold,
nasa
come
bridge.
southwest. Chat mo nga yung caller, if pwede sila si fix fight. Just come southwest a bit.
Ito yung
Ito nga eh, tinatry
caller.
ako dismount eh.
Nag-zone ng Pops.
Tumakbo
Nag-zone
lang
sila
ako eh.
Pops, yung caller.
Okay. Come southwest, guys. Chat nyo nga yung caller ng Solo King, sabihin mo we fight.
Sige, wait lang.
Guys, come southwest.
Ito.
Nandito daw sila sa cops.
Okay,
Yung
yeah, follow me,
whisper
follow me. Come southwest. Yo, those people who's not in cops right now, go make your way to fringe. Make your way to fringe, boys. Come southwest, boys.
Fix fight din nata sila eh.
Sinasagot
so.
yung caller nila.
Probably.
Taga.
Kasi nag-aaya si Never Regret ng ano eh, ng fight eh. Come southwest, guys. Full zone, full zone.
Nga.
Full zone, boys. Full zone. Go to fringe.
Susunod na ako sa inyo ah. Binitawan ko na yung sa Never Regret. Ay, yung Solo King pa eh.
Nakala roll mo ako.
There po muna.
Ha?
Na-roll mo.
PM.
Carving.
Battle mo. Carving.
DA1 tong Solo King, DA1.
We can fight naman both eh, kaso we're just lacking the buff eh. But I can confidently say na we have a good DPS.
Mas kaya natin yung Solo King kasi medyo tapat yung...
Anong sabi ni Solo King?
Wala.
Ay, muna tayo, boss, ah.
Hindi nagwi-win.
Tinanong ako kung ilan tayo, 19 sabi ko. Hindi pa sumasagot.
Dapat di nila ako makita.
Bakit? Ano ka?
Baka matakot.
Ito.
Yes, I think this would be the first like proper mass natin in going outlands. It's pretty fucked honestly, okay? So far it's pretty shit.
Yung kungay ni Embra taglit eh.
So, but we can do it better, guys.
Dismounted ang Solo King, Endra.
Saan?
Mag-merge na yung ano nila. Yung blob.
Are they fighting? Where?
Nagki-clear ng mobs. Feel ko fix.
Saan sila?
Doon sa outpost
Expand,
ng Expand.
Tara, mapunta tayo.
Tara. We join in the fight. I'm not this one.
Sino kalaban nila Yue? Hindi ko
Never
pa
regret.
nabasa.
Never regret. Di pa ata nag-start eh. Ako ba? Pero one blob na ngayon. Wala pa namang namamatay kasi.
Naglalambingan pa.
Naglalambingan pa.
Gigash, ano ka muna, no? Depo ka muna.
Nakadepo na yan.
Wala, nakamount up yung regret eh.
Yes, we go to...
Nadepo ko na pero sa ano?
Ay, hindi.
tao.
Nasa...
Personal. There we go. I'll depo muna real quick. We can still catch up to them if they still fight. Depo muna tayo real quick, guys. No need to rush.
Nag-food up yung no regret sa OP.
Careful yung mga, ano dyan tawag dito, mga strugglers. May portal ganker. Try to dismount and mount up if you have some exclamation mark. That means somebody is invading here.
Walang tattoo na yan.
Artos. Nakaya ko silang 1v1v1.
Safe.
Yeah, just go portal boys and hold for a bit.
Ay, ito
Go
nagpa-fight
portal
na
and hold
Endra.
northeast.
Fighting na Endra.
Okay. Go. Go portal, hold northeast.
Loko tong no regret na to.
East side
May
actually.
OP pa sila.
Yan ano yun, dadaanan lang nila yan.
Apaka-Gucci nila eh. 8-3-7-3.
For carving.
Hold
diba?
east side.
At yun pa.
Hold east side boys, east side, okay?
East. Not north.
Check ping.
Hold east side. Hold east side of the portal boys. Hold east side. Bring OC make sure you bring OC.
Nasa labas na sila ng OP. Medyo
Are they fighting still?
Oo, fighting.
Okay. Boys take in V, zone in, go expands. We fuck Never Regret first, okay? Nasaan yung backline ng ano? Saan nakapwesto yung Never Regret?
Outpost mismo.
Bakain ng Never Regret OP eh.
Yun long.
Sila yung nag-hold sa
Ang nasa,
outpost eh.
ang nasa labas yung Solo King eh. Pero nagbabarol na nga sila sa labas. So, ano ba? Barol na to eh.
Yeah. Just
Pagkasama
make your way to
yung-
expanse. Just make your way to expanse, okay? Pag nag-zone ako ng expanse, take off your NV, wait for me. What is the status of the fight?
Pumapasok sa OP yung ano, no regret.
They have so much D though. Why are they like hiding there?
Pumasok nga, nag-def yung no regret sa pumasok sa loob.
Gucci din ba si ano? Solo King?
Oh,
Medyo,
sabi-
mga tier 9 lang.
Demi.
Parang tayo
Demi.
nga, parang tayo. Tier 8, tier 7, tier 9.
Si gamer bro. But it's
Huwag
fine.
muna tayo
It's
mag-block
doable.
para di sila malek.
So zoning slowly boys.
May bomber
spread for
dito.
now.
May
Zoning
bridal
slowly
bomb,
and...
may bridal bomb na Earthrun.
Sino?
Care lang.
Anong
Leo,
guild?
Tony, Moga.
Mark mo nga yan. Binigay ko sa party lead.
Hindi, pero hindi yata sa ano, hindi yata sa dalawang
Eh, random lang.
Random lang.
Oo, nang gagago lang.
Mark mo na yung mga color nila. Nasaan yung party lead? Guys, come north of the Terry. Wrap around Pa-northeast tayo boys.
North of Terry?
Yeah.
North of the outpost, but
Tagal lang kayo na hindi
You should
Ano ba
come
yung
from
pinag-guys?
You should come from, what do you call this one? You should come from north of the Terry, not in southeast.
May mo BNB na guys.
I'm here boys.
May mo BNB.
Proper bomb, okay? Not cheater bomb.
Hindi ko maano.
Where is the proper bomb?
Moga,
Yun nga,
Moga.
yung kanina sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Are they still inside the outpost? Guys, come northeast.
Pwede natin likuran yung Solo King.
They're solo
Wag.
kick. Everywhere.
I'd rather fight na no regret.
No regret tayo niyan. Gucci ng ano. No regret. Yung no regret po namin.
Spread kayo guys north Spread kayo north Spread kayo north. Spread kayo here. Spread guys. Do not blob, okay?
Ano ulit name nun? Masa Solo King? Why something?
YY9527
Hindi sila sumasagot eh. Are they still
Okay,
fighting?
lumalabas
I don't see bodies Spread lang kayo guys. Do
Nagbaback
not
ng
blob,
konti.
okay?
Nagback ng konti yung Solo King. Nagbaback ng konti.
Spread lang kayo boys. Spread lang kayo
Nagbaback ng
boys.
konti.
I'm missing one healer and one support. I'm missing two guys.
Ayun dyan.
Ayun na, mark ko
Spread
na.
guys. Spread. Spread to north. Do not go inside them. Okay, let's wait for me.
Wala, nasa labas pa rin tong ano, Solo King.
Are they
Stop
fighting?
yung fight. Huminto.
Dahil alam nila nandito tayo. They might focus on us guys. They might They might handhold if we interfere.
Okay,
Need a good timing.
Ay, hindi. Una ako dito. Hindi ako na sa ano nila.
Alam nyo kung nasan yung bomber? Si Moga.
Nakamark na yung colors ng magkabilaan.
Nakamark.
Moga is southwest side.
Ayaw nga ito. Naka-dismount to. Moga. Southeast. Nasa southeast yung bomber.
Naglalaban pa din, ano?
Fighting na sila. Fighting ulit. Nagbakbakan sila. Nasa UP yung no regret.
Sweet. Tasan yung pasensya nyo guys.
Pero walang
Yung
nababawas
Mogan
sa party.
dito na. Yung Mogan dito na.
Kanina pang walang nababawas sa party.
Inis ka tayo ng mga.
Guys, careful baka mabam kayo dyan Open your eyes boys. Do not blob. Spread a bit more west side. Northwest side.
Here, pwede tao dito.
Wala naman namamatay sa kanila pare. What the hell?
Wala nga.
Dito banda, oh. Walang tao dito.
Alam bakit? Pero walang namamatay kanina pa. Kanina pa nandito.
Are the Moga dismounted? Is Moga dismounted right now?
No. Mounted.
Nababomba sila ngayon. Nag-try
Ayan,
sila ng
nabomba
bomba.
na ulit.
Na-cancel. Nagbaback sila na. Nagmamount.
Saan sila nagbaback? Northeast side?
Southeast.
Ito sa isa akin ngayon. Dismounted yung collar kung gusto mo. Nakamount lahat ng
Ay, may namatay na.
Solo King.
Pero wag na tong bomber na to.
GFN. Chill a bit more guys. No rush.
Dito yung bomber.
Nag-block kayo,
We are blubbing na. Come west side
Why
guys.
starting, guys?
Come west.
Hindi, may naka-inbi yata.
Come, follow me boys.
May-
One body na. Ask
may
me the party
nakaimbiyata
lead boys. Ask me the party lead.
Wala lang. Isa ka pa.
Nahabag yata. Gogo.
Ten.
Dalawa na
They're
patay.
Ayan
fighting
na,
na, right?
nagkakapatayan na.
Oh, fighting.
Dismount once you see me. Come follow. Boys, let's go.
Huwag yan, kilo.
Ah, gagi. Yung ulo ko.
Gago ko yung hole ka.
Oh, yan.
Come.
Oo, wala pala ako. Oo, sino ba yan?
Bigyan nyo kasi si Jeff mabilisan. Clear the mobs inside, boys.
Bronze na ngayon, no regret pati solo
Put
king.
up. Put up si boys. Walk in here. Yo, QC double is inside, boys. QC double is. Kill the mobs. Kill the mobs. Follow.
Sa loob pa rin
Come
yung
inside.
sa loob pa rin yung no regret.
I know. Yo, watch my D-Tanks. Watch in east side. Watch east side, D-Tanks. Watch east. They're looking at us. Okay, come south. You guys, if you're going back, we're going back downhill west side, okay? Come west side.
They're going east,
They're
ah.
trying to
They're
play a
going
better
in. They're going
position. Yeah,
east.
follow. Come west. Hold west. Hold here, okay? My D-Tanks keep scouting for me, please. Using double is inside, boys. Where are they right now?
No regrets,
One-
nasa loob ng
loob
OP.
na lang buong ano.
Solo King, how about Solo King?
Nagbabrawl sila sa loob.
Parang bubro lang sila.
Okay, yo,
Nasa loob
guys,
na.
walk in. We're hitting shallow. Only, okay? Ready DPS on me, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow. On the gate lang. Gate lang tayo. And come back sa west. Cycle muna kayo. Kissing double is inside. Yo, look at this guy, oh. Finish the guy. Kissing double is only.
Cancel ako, puko na nga.
Put up, boys. Put up. They're about to like go out. Okay, hold southwest. Yo, DPS, stay southwest. Yo, side, you don't need to go in.
Engage.
Okay. Yo, listen. Hold here. Hold the gate. We're gonna hit southeast. Okay, Hold. Wait. Actually, we're gonna hit shallow. Come here. Yo,
Pwede, isa.
walking now. Walking, boys. Walking. Kissing W is inside. Kissing dubs. Northeast wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, on me lang, boys. Hit the shit, and hold southwest side. Hold southwest.
Careful,
Yeah, I know. Come southwest. Yo, cleanses inside. Cleanses, boys. Come southwest. Go out southwest. Yo, watch my south side. Yo, southside. Watch southside.
Careful,
Yo, watch outside. They're looking. Nice J. Go west side. I'll give you more space in the west side. Go more west side, boys. Go more west side. Keep kiting west side. Cat. Heal up. Cat west side. You look south. Find me in south, okay? Yo, find me in south. South down. Southeast 5. Listen. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything south. Hit south. Nice hit. And come west and roll. Yo, depth. Full defensive. Oh, you guys are retarded. We bail.
Shaper. Gago.
Come west and bail. That's so stupid, man. See, this is why we lost, man, because nobody's like using the defensive, bro. I literally called the defensives and nobody used the other.
Ako sa likod. Gcash.
Bail. That's enough. Bail. We got one engage. That's so fucking retarded, bro.
lang ako, bro.
Pag na-demon na namin yan. Hindi kaya.
How? No gigas and shit? No potions? What the fuck? See, that's why we lost you guys. You guys are like very stiff. You know, you guys are makunat kayo gumalaw. You guys need to relax. You need to relax. Come regroup and go home. You guys need to relax every fight. Every fight, bro, just need to relax, man. No, don't get pressured or whatsoever. Just have fun. Try to like open your eyes, open your fucking mind, bro. Walang akong nakita na giga. I'll avoid review real quick, okay? We have the better angle there. We have the better position. We engage. Their engage is very anticipated. It was called, but no, we still got what engage.
Come again.
I know. But it's fine. So many casualty even before we started the fight. Come northwest, guys.
I was about to drop the enigmatic, but suddenly I got stunned. So yeah.
No, bro. If you use your helmet, you will not get stunned.
Yeah.
Even if your enigmatic will not be cancelled. That's why I had you on face skill hat. Come northwest.
my bad also because I didn't use my